Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a prawn, glass noodle and prawn. Okay, it's a glass noodle prawn dish. This is not exactly a Taiwanese style, or it is also not exactly the Thai style. This is Appa style. Yeah. So I have two pieces of jumbo prawn, deep sea tiger prawn here, and of course some glass noodle. Now, here's a few tips on how you can handle your deep sea tiger prawn. Number one, you have to remove the stomach, which is at the front part of the head. Remove the stomach, that is the source of fishiness. Number two, you need to remove the vein. Yeah. Number three, do not remove the egg. All this you are looking at here, these are the egg. This is not the vein. The vein is like a string kind of thing. You very carefully lift it out. You can actually see the whole string. Yeah, it's like a one string kind of thing. So this one, it doesn't look very nice right now, but once it is cooked, it will actually turn orangey. It is actually egg. Yeah. So don't throw away this egg. And when it comes to glass noodle, from my experience so far, the best way to cook glass noodle is to pre-soak glass noodle with hot water for approximately about 10 minutes until you see half transparent, like something like this. Why? So that it won't actually soak out your broth later. When it becomes like this, it's actually already contain a lot of water inside, this is almost like 60% cooked. Okay, and then you need a few pieces of ginger here. So first thing first, we want to bring the flavor out from the prawn itself. Give it about 2 tablespoons of oil here. And we want to saute the ginger. Saute the ginger for a minute or two before we continue. Yeah? This is after about a minute plus. Now that the oil has been infused with the ginger aroma, we can now actually toss in the prawn. I will also toss in the body. If you are using the smaller prawn, you don't have to toss in the body meat right now. Just put in the prawn head will do. So let's pan fry the prawn for a couple of minutes before we continue. Right? So we are going to make a bit of, you can see the oil is already turning orangey. Yeah? We are going to make some prawn broth right now. Wow, very fragrant. The moment when any seafood shell, any seafood with shell that it comes into contact with hot oil, it will give you some super fragrant aroma. See, did you see what I tell you just now? The egg. This is actually the egg. Can you see the orangey egg color? Yeah? So do not throw away the egg. Wow, now the prawn is super fragrant. You can actually give some pepper salt. I'm having some, this is flavoured black pepper and salt here. Right, you can see all the orangey. See the head just now? This one? It is also orangey. All these are the eggs. Now I'm going to put in some hot water. Immediately we get some very beautiful prawn broth. Beautiful prawn broth, I'm telling you. Let me take out the meat for a while. This meat is like halfway cooked right now. I accidentally off the heat. Let it continue. Let me show you. See? See? Look at the orangey egg. Yeah? It is actually eggs. So do not throw the eggs away. Yeah? So I'm just leaving the prawn head here. We can now add in some Shaoxing wine, which can remove some of the fishy smell, if any. Tune down to medium heat right now. Low heat right now. And I am going to give it some seasoning. Let's start with a bit of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Right. We already put the Shaoxing wine. So where's the light? Little bit of light soya sauce. My favorite Vietnamese fish sauce. Okay. By the way, all this sauce that I'm using, if you want to know the details, I'll put it in the description box. Right. Few drops. And a little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Right, now we can actually add in the glass noodle, which is already pre-soaked. And I will actually take out the head. Whoa! Look at the amount of prawn eggs inside. Then put back the prawn. This prawn is like fully 50% cooked so far. So I'm going to let it cool for another probably about 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. Give it another 2 to 3 minutes under high heat, then it should be done. I'll put just some white pepper on top. Okay. Okay, this is after another 3 minutes. I'm going to off the fire right now. Now, if you notice, there are some extra prawn egg here because I actually took out the prawn egg from the head. Yeah, don't waste it and put it inside here. And so the total cooking time for the prawn is somewhere around 4 minutes for this size. This is humongous. Yeah, if you cook the normal prawn, 3 minutes total cooking time. It should not go more than 3 minutes. This is about 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to move this over to my serving clay pot. Okay, I've moved it to my serving clay pot here. I'm going to garnish it with some scallion, yeah, spring onion, and give it a bit of white pepper. And it's done. Right? Very simple but extremely flavorful. So you need to adjust your cooking time according to the size of your prawn. Right? So I hope you like my video. If you like my video today, do share on your Facebook to your friends. come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.